In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and filter a sales report in HubSpot. We'll be covering two main methods: using pre-built sales analytics reports for a quick analysis and building a custom report for deeper flexibility. First, let's dive into the quickest method by using the sales analytics reports. This option is fantastic if you need fast insights into your sales performance without having to build something from scratch. Start by navigating over to the Reports section in HubSpot and then go to Analytics Tools. From there, you'll find Sales Analytics. Once you're in, there's a variety of topics to choose from, like Deal Funnel, Team Activity, Lead Funnel, or even Win Rate. Pick what's relevant to your needs. Now, to tailor these reports to your specific situation, you'll head to the Filters panel. Here you can set your date range, whether you're looking at the current month, year to date, or maybe even a custom range. This helps narrow down your data to exactly the time frame you're interested in. You can further refine your focus by filtering by deal pipeline or deal owner. If you work with different teams or representatives, this can be incredibly useful. You also have the option to apply additional filters, such as only looking at deals that are closed won, or honing in on specific pipelines. Once your report looks the way you want it, don't forget to click Save Report. Should you want to share your findings with a colleague, you can do so easily by copying the report URL. To keep track of your insights over time or compare them with other reports, consider adding it to a dashboard by selecting Add to Dashboard. Now, if you're looking for a bit more flexibility and personalization, we can explore the option to build a custom sales report. Begin by navigating to Reports and then Create Report. Here, choose Custom Report Builder. When setting up your report, select Deals as your primary object. You also have the choice to pull in related data from contacts, companies, or activities, which can give you a more comprehensive view. The next step involves defining your metrics. Decide on your dimension, such as deal stage or deal owner, and your measure. Options here include the count of deals, sum of deal amount, or average deal size. If you want to add another layer to your analysis, you can optionally include a split metric, like the deal source or region. When it comes to applying filters, specify the date property. For example, deals where the close date falls within this month. You might also want to filter for a deal stage, such as closed won or lost, or specify a deal owner if you're looking at individual or team performance. You can get creative here, combining filters using and/or logic to capture just the right view. Finally, decide on how you want to visualize your data. HubSpot offers several options, including bar, line, pie charts, tables, or pivot formats. Each has its advantages, depending on how you need to present your findings or understand the data better. And that's it. By the end, you should have a robust, well-filtered report tailored specifically to your sales analysis needs in HubSpot.